I think you're gonna love this project, and it is a terrific little Christmas gift to make for a friend. Are you ready? Let's jump in. For this project, I'm using the colorful 22 gauge metal complex wire wrapping wires and the Dazzle It 12 gauge aluminum wire, both by John Bead, and they both come in amazing colors. Cut a piece of Dazzle It about 14 inches long. With round nose pliers, add a curl at the end of the wire, then bend a leaf shape about 4 inches long. Wrap the excess just below the curl and then bend it back down to create the midrib. Wrap the end of the wire around the tip of the leaf and secure. The earliest known wire is from ancient Mesopotamia and Egypt around 4000 BC, and it was used for jewelry. Examples include gold wire found in an Egyptian tomb from 2750 BC and bronze wire from Pompeii. Early wire was made by hammering soft metals like gold and bronze into thin strips or by twisting them together. Now we're ready to add some beads. I've picked out a selection of sizes of Czech glass seed beads and bugle beads from John Bead in different color schemes. Pour out some seed beads and cut off a 14-inch piece of the matching metal complex wire. Secure the 22 gauge wire to the midrib in the center and then start adding enough beads to reach the outer edge of the wire leaf. You want to slant the beads downward toward the tip of the leaf so it mimics the vein directions of a real leaf. Wrap the wire twice around the outer edge and then add more beads and wrap the wire around the midrib. Keep going back and forth until you've filled up the entire leaf shape with beads. And then, like I always say, start another one. The history of Czech glass seed beads began in Bohemia, where glassmaking was established by the 12th to 14th centuries. Glassmakers from Germany were invited to the Bohemian region, drawn by unlimited sand, water, and trees, and small glassmaking towns grew. These would look amazing on a beaded chain, or hanging from a ribbon on a Christmas tree, or even tied around a dinner napkin for a special occasion. Let me know what you think in the comments. I always love hearing from you. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want content I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want even more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.